Hello, my name is Maxim. Today we are going to create a single-page application using a starter kit, Maximus SPA. Who will this video be useful for? This video will be useful primarily for beginners of front-end development. Why? Because you can easily and quickly download the starter kit on your PC, set up a development environment, and create something great using Vue.js. Let's get started. I'm in the Maximus SPA repository. Here you can find a small documentation. You can get acquainted with the features that this starter kit provides. Also, here is a short guide on how to download and set up the code on your PC. First of all, let's clone the starter kit on our PC. I will be using Git bash for this purpose. I cloned the repository. Now we should enter the folder with our project. We can use a cd command or just open the folder on your PC and open a new terminal. Let's run a npm install command in our terminal. This command will download all packages and dependencies needed for the development. It can take some time to download all the stuff. Now, what do you need to know to create SPA using this starter kit? You need basic knowledge of JavaScript, Vue.js, HTML, CSS. Also, you need to download and install Node.js on your PC. That's it. We finished downloading the packages and dependencies into our project. Let's drag our project into VS Code. The next step is generating a basic CSS styling for our future application. At the moment there is Tailwind CSS on this project. This command will generate a new CSS file with all needed CSS classes for our application. Let's open one more terminal and run the command npm run dev to start our local server. Now we can open the application in our favorite browser. We have several basic pages: home, about, registration, login, forgot password. Okay, let's see if it is easy to create a new page using the current starter kit. Let's create a new page. We'll call it product and include it in the main navigation. All our pages are in the views folder. Let's create a new file here. The next step is registration our page in our router. Okay, now we should add our new page to the main menu. Our main menu is in the components folder. Here is a navigation view file. We added a new item to the main menu and now you can see it in the header of our application. Let's add some styling to this page. We can get components from Tailwind CSS website and use it in our project. When we added the HTML markup to our file, the Tailwind CSS server added new classes to our CSS file, and we got this beautiful page. When you find out how to add a new page to our application, let's see how authentication works. The authentication is maybe the most painful part of development for front-end developers. It is because you must have backend knowledge or hire a person who makes a backend part for you. In our case, we already have an API that allows us to authenticate our users. The API.js contains an API connection. To enable authentication using API, we should add a new file. The .env file we must create in the root of our project and add some global variables. Now, let's try to register. I created a test email for the registration. I tried to register myself. I received a server error. It is because I've created a .env file in the crc folder. Let's move this file to the root of the application. I'm going to register one more time. Now I'll enter a wrong password confirmation to see what happens. You can now see the error message with appropriate notification. Let's enter correct confirmation and try one more time. We registered successfully and our application sent us a verification email. The idea behind email verification is to prevent users from accessing protected pages without verified email. Let's verify our email to get access to our dashboard. Works well. Let's check the forgot password feature. I received an email and now I'll be going to reset my password. Let's enter our email, new password and password confirmation. Password changed successfully. We have to log in one more time to see if it works. Password reset works well. Okay, we've created a new page. We registered and reset the password. I think it is good result. That's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments box below. Thank you.